Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can hide the follower and following list on your Instagram account. First, you just need to open your Instagram application, and then you just need to open your profile and tap into these three straight lines and go with the settings and privacy. And first, you just need to make sure that your account here is not in a professional account. You need to make this account into the personal account. You just need to tap into this for professional and tap into this account type. If the information here shown switch to professional, means that your account right now is in a personal. But then if this here shown that switch to personal account, means that your account is in a professional type. So make sure your account is in a personal. Now I just need to go back and scroll up. And now the things that you have to do is just go find who can see your content and tap into this account privacy. Make your account private and go confirm that you want to switch your account to private. Whenever you already set your account in private, so that someone who haven't followed you never can access your following and follower list of your account. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's meet again into other tutorial.